When searching for the best barbecue smokers, quality and performance are paramount. The top options feature durable construction, efficient heat distribution, and versatile cooking capabilities. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best barbecue smokers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Recttech RT700 pellet grill smoker redefines outdoor cooking with its impressive versatility and durable construction. Offering 1,100 square inches of cooking space, it's perfect for smoking, grilling, searing, baking, braising, and even dehydrating, delivering rich wood-fired flavor. The grill's temperature range of 180 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, coupled with its rock-solid PID temperature control, ensures consistent cooking precision, maintaining within 5 degrees Fahrenheit of your target temperature. Designed for convenience, the RT700's large pellet hopper allows up to 40 hours of continuous cooking on a full load, making it ideal for long smoking sessions. Control and monitor your cooking remotely via the recteq app, adding digital ease to your backyard barbecue experience. Built to last, the RT700 is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, guaranteeing years of reliable performance. This smoker stands up to the elements and intense use, maintaining its sleek look and robust operation. Whether you're slow cooking a brisket, grilling up burgers, or baking wood-fired pizza, the RT700 delivers consistency and superior results. The Masterbuilt MS130B electric smoker offers a seamless smoking experience with its user-friendly digital controls. With the ability to set your preferred smoking temperature and cooking time, this smoker takes the guesswork out of slow cooking, reaching temperatures of up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Its patented side wood chip loader is a standout feature, allowing you to add wood chips without opening the door, maintaining consistent heat and locking in moisture for flavorful results. The removable water bowl adds to this moisture retention, letting you experiment with different liquids to infuse unique flavors into your meats. Its spacious vertical design provides 711 square inches of cooking space, accommodating large quantities of food, perfect for up to 6 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 pork butts, or 4 racks of ribs. With 4 chrome-coated smoking racks, you can smoke a variety of meats at once, optimizing your time and efficiency. This smoker is built for convenience and flavor, ideal for anyone from backyard enthusiasts to seasoned pitmasters. Whether you're smoking tender ribs or a whole turkey, the Masterbuilt MES130B ensures consistently juicy and smoky results, all with the simple press of a button. The Trager Ironwood XL grill delivers a wood-fired experience with precision and ease. Its smart combustion system and fully insulated body maintain steady heat, ranging from 165 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring perfect cooking results each time. With Wi-Fi technology, you can monitor and control your grill remotely from your phone, offering convenience for any occasion. Cleaning is made simple with the Easy Clean Grease Plus Ash Keg, which combines grease and ash collection in one easy-to-remove container. No need for a drip tray liner. The Free Flow Fire Pot paired with Super Smoke Mode amplifies wood-fired flavor while minimizing ash, giving you a rich, smoky taste in every bite. Customization is at your fingertips with the pop and lock rail, allowing you to optimize your cooking space to fit your style. Even heat distribution is guaranteed thanks to the Even Flow Heat Shield, providing balanced cooking on its large 924 square inches of cooking area. Whether smoking, grilling, or roasting, the Trager Ironwood XL offers versatility, flavor, and cutting-edge technology to elevate your outdoor cooking game. The ZGrills 700D4E combines precision and power, offering a top-tier grilling experience. With advanced PID technology, it maintains a steady temperature throughout cooking, ensuring even results every time. This tech, paired with 2 included temperature probes, lets you check internal food temperatures without lifting the lid, using the large, user-friendly LCD control panel. Boasting a massive 700 square inch cooking area, it accommodates up to 29 burgers, 6 rib racks, or 5 whole chickens, making it perfect for family gatherings or outdoor barbecues. The spacious design ensures no one goes hungry at your next cookout. Its pellet cleanout system simplifies the process of emptying unused pellets or switching flavors. Just twist open the hopper door to quickly release the pellets, making cleanup easy and allowing you to experiment with different wood types for varied flavors. Built to last, the ZGrills 700D4E features sturdy double-wall construction and a durable stainless steel lid, ensuring longevity and consistent performance over time. The Traeger Grills Pro 575 redefines outdoor cooking, bringing the smoky essence of wood-fired flavors into your backyard. This innovative grill eliminates the need for gas or charcoal, utilizing Traeger's original wood pellet technology for superior taste and convenience. With a maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the Pro 575 offers precise temperature control, ensuring your meals are always cooked to perfection. Equipped with Wi-Fi technology, this grill seamlessly connects to your home Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor and control your cooking from anywhere via the Traeger app. The versatility of the Pro 575 is unmatched, featuring a 6-in-1 cooking capability that lets you grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue all on one platform. The durable porcelain grill grates ensure effortless cleaning after a delicious feast. As the best-selling pellet grill on the market, the Pro 575 comes with an upgraded D2 drivetrain that enhances performance by starting quicker, heating faster, and producing superior quality smoke. With 575 square inches of cooking space, it accommodates up to 24 burgers, 5 rib racks, or 4 whole chickens, making it perfect for family gatherings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.